What are your final thoughts on this topic?
I don't see much improvement on the issues we just described, so that will continue to be the case for a while. Unfortunately, there's more and more reliance on software now, not just big businesses, even now medium and small businesses. Sometimes you can see a lot of startup companies that are entirely based on software. Could it be machine learning, or it could be just conventional software? So this software has to be perfect from day one. Otherwise, especially for startup company, the company will run out of business if their software fails and if their business operations just stalled. As for big businesses, I think it's less of an issue because they can afford to hire high quality developers, and I think in some cases the business culture might be different. So this is fine as long as the developers are employees hired by the same company, operate within the same quality standards in that company. This might be a bigger issue when the software development is outsourced or offshored to certain part of the world where, quality is not always a priority.
If there's a brain drain where a lot more companies, small, medium, whatever have you, if they're focusing more on software, that then means if the developers are not proactive of learning new techniques and mastering their field, after a while, the companies will plateau in a certain amount of expertise they have. And if that's the level, the bar is set low. So the next group of developers that come in, the bar will be set even lower. So what you have is over time a reduction in productivity, whereas the software has to be perfect straight away. And that will cause a lot of problems further down the line, because if you have bigger problems and your data scientists or your developers can't handle it because of the how can I put it, the learning curve, that means that the business world will suffer.
Precisely. So in this case, instead of the company moving forward, they will be busy fighting fires in every corner. They will slow down. There will be no improvement, no growth. So it's always critical to get the software correct from the first time. So there's no software that can be 100% bug free. That's understandable. But the software should be good enough, should be resilient, flexible to change without causing too much trouble. So after all, it should not be limiting. It should not be a limiting factor to the business. It should help the business grow and not slow it down.